It's a beautiful morning. Shiba price is up 12%. Yes, it is. I got my morning coffee and I'm excited because the market is really rebounding. Bitcoin is up pretty good today and I'm excited. Bitcoin's up 6%, which means that's good for the market. Shiba, all the Shiba army holders. I'm excited to bring this video to you. It's a beautiful morning. Cheers. And this is why you hold and you be patient and do your research and you just go ahead and enjoy these type of days. But remember, there will be a pullback, so just don't panic. So let's go ahead and talk about this today. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. The market is rebounding, and if I go to the Doge killer LEASH, that's up 6% today. So that's really good. And what I was doing some analysis of saying, you know what? How much would $3,400 get me to get about almost 3 leashes? I was just doing some analysis in the background. So I was just kind of curious about how much that's worth. And then I went to, let's say what we're going to Bone. So I'm gonna see what Bone looks like. Bone is up 8%. So 8%. So if I go back to here, look at that. Bone is $2.36. So it's rebounding some as well. But the big news here to me is Shiba. Shiba is the big news right now in terms of the Shiba ecosystem. So it's up 12%. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what do I do? What are some things I can do? Well, right now, what I'm looking to do is seeing where this headed to. To me, it hasn't hit to areas where I'm going to make any type of decisions yet, but I'm just going to continue hodling and looking where, okay, I've got 2 billion buried. So what areas can I take advantage of? Should I accumulate? Right now, I'm not looking to accumulate since the market is going up. So I'm staying pat. That's what I'm doing. So if you're burying your Shiba, for me, I'm staying pat. I'm looking at these percentages that's really high. I also noticed the TVL is climbing back up again. This is why you're patient. Let the market settle itself out. It's a beautiful morning. Now, if I go over to another area where is, okay, if you got LEASH and Bone, you're probably feeling pretty good right now because look at that APR percentages on Bone, APY and APR, well, actually APY. Look how high that is. So it's good to be bearing your Bone. And I'm going to have another video, staking versus unstaking, some of the advantages you can do with staking and some of the advantages you can do when you unstake. So watch out for that video that comes out later on. So if you got LEASH, you're probably feeling good right now to me because I think LEASH is going to go up higher as well. Now, if you are wolfing and pairing, what does this price do to that? Well, I think it's actually a positive thing if you're if you're pairing one of these pairings here. I think it's a really good thing. So to me, I'm still not going to wolf this out because the fees still does not work. So I'm looking to wolf this Bone out. And remember, it's only 33% of this. So if you have something in the pairings, you may be thinking about making the decision if it works for you. For me, if I go ahead and do this right now, if I wolf this right now, right? And I'm thinking the fees are just too high to me. The fees are high. They are high right now. It's over $49. That's too high because I'm only getting 33% of that 168. So it doesn't make a lot of sense to do it because I'm only going to get 55 of that. So think about it, 55 times the price of Bone, which is $2.36. So that's $129. That's the value of Bone. But the fees, if I take out, is taking half of that, basically, if I'm using it that way. Now, for me, I use fee as a bill. Fees are just like I'm paying for my cell phone bill, my electric bill, my water bill, my fee bill. So I treat it like a bill. So I don't really calculate it in this whole ecosystem here, in my opinion. That's the way I'm doing it because it makes me feel better. It does. It makes me feel better. So yes, it is a beautiful morning. The market's going up today. Really look at some positions where you can take advantage of and look at things where things are not as up. See, this is where you look at. Shiba right now is doing well. So be thinking about your next position, your next move. Your next move is doing nothing. My next move is doing nothing right now. Just enjoying a positive green day. And I'm preparing for the pullback. So when Shiba pulls back, I think I'm going to add more Shiba. When it pulls back, I'm going to add more Shiba. And so I'm just kind of waiting on when it does, because you know how the market is. It's going to go up and down. But this is where you take advantage of. When it's up, you sit back, you have a cup of coffee, you look at it, you look at the outside, you look at the sun, and you smile. But when it's red, you don't have to be down. You look at positions where you can take advantage of. So what I would do, my personal opinion, not financial advice, I'm staying pat, and the price is not high enough to take any position in terms of cashing out. In my opinion, I'm just gonna wait, and then wait for a pullback, and then I'm gonna add some more to my position. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Shiba Bone and Leash is on fire today. And one more area, got to look at this. If Kishu, how is Kishu doing today? Really quick, Kishu's up 6% as well. So all the majority of the market is on fire today. Look at this, all that green. Look at coin market cap. It's a beautiful morning. Doesn't matter what you're holding today. It's more than likely up today. So congratulations to you for hodling, Sean. I hope you hodl. I hope you accumulate. Hope you're smiling. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to click on the links below. I'll see you later.